Here's how to rotate video in DaVinci Resolve, step by step. Now here we have an upside down video. So to rotate the video, you want to click on the video, then go to the top right corner, click on Inspector. And under Transform, you'll see Rotation Angle. And here you can change this to rotate the video. Or you can type over here on the right. So for this video, I will type 180 degrees, and this is how you rotate a video. Next, let me show you how to rotate a vertical video. So this is a vertical video, but right now it's horizontal. So first, we want to rotate this by 90 degrees. So I could change this here, or I'll just type over here. I'll type -90 like this. And because this is actually a vertical video, I'll need to change the resolution, the aspect ratio. So go over to the top right corner, click on this picture icon, and you'll see these. So for vertical, you want to click on portrait, which is this. And now the video is in vertical format. So next, we need to expand this video so it fills up the empty space. So go to the bottom left, click on this rectangle, and then you can see these circles appear around. Then you drag it like this to fill up the empty space. When you're done, click on the rectangle again. So that's how to rotate a vertical video. Next, let me show you how to rotate a horizontal video. So here we have a horizontal video, but right now it is vertical. So to rotate the video, we can change the rotation angle. So I can drag this around like this, or I just type the angle that I want. Next, we want to expand this video to fill up the full frame. So click on the rectangle in the bottom left corner, then we drag it to fill up the frame. Then I click on the rectangle again. So that's how to rotate video in DaVinci Resolve.